This SCITOO brake pad set D1539 D1114 offers a well-matched front semi-metallic and rear ceramic combination that delivers confident stopping power for daily Subaru driving. The pads use a slotted and chamfered design that helps spread heat more evenly, improve ventilation, and maintain braking performance during repeated stops. Noise and vibration are well controlled thanks to shimmed backing and cushioning layers that sit between the caliper pistons and the pad plates. Fitment is tailored for several popular Subaru models, so the pads line up cleanly with the factory hardware and feel very close to original equipment in pedal response. Installation is straightforward for anyone familiar with basic brake work, since the pads are built to original specifications and drop into the stock calipers without modification. Dust output is relatively modest for a semi-metallic and ceramic mix, helping wheels stay cleaner while still providing strong, predictable braking in everyday use.